As I recently traveled to Bayelsa State in all the local government of Bayelsa, I discovered that every home in Bayelsa owns a plantain plantation. Aside from being one of the largest oil producing states in Nigeria, Bayelsa people are very, very big farmers. Bayelsa people are also fishermen because they have waters, they have creeks, and they also have many swampy areas. This is one of the biggest thing that gives them money. And also they farm many cash crops like palm oil, palm kernel. They also farm yams, potatoes, and cocoyams. And they also farm pineapples. You won't even believe this. This is what is giving them money. And as I toured many homes, I found that this plantain plantation is almost everywhere in their homes. A tree of plantain can make you as high as 15,000 naira because a bunch of plantain is sold for, the biggest one can be gotten for 15,000 naira, 12,000 naira, 13,000 or 10,000 naira. The lowest price that you can get in plantain bunch is 4,000 naira. That's the minimum price of plantain right now. And even if they when the bunch are also scattered, you can get it as low as 1,000 naira per 4 pieces. Currently, this is not the season for plantain, but it doesn't mean that you are not going to find plantain in the market. The only difference that is going to be very, very expensive. Plantain is one of the staple food in Nigeria and even in the world. Everybody likes plantain. Plantain is very, very rich in fiber and is also very rich in magnesium and also vitamins and iron.
Rain is disturbing them.
They don't like much water.
Okay, they don't like much water, but there's so much water in Bayelsa now. So, and why most of the crops that they plant here is it not plantain or what?
Yes, they plant plantain mainly.
But in the north, there's no much water there, but plantain doesn't grow there like that. Why?
The soil.
Okay. So now this soil now is homogenic because
The soil is very, very fertile.
okay, fertile sand to be able to plant it just like when they want to do but that thing. These carrots now they tell you say they plant it there, it grows there more.
Yes.
How many plantain trees now here now?
It's more than 1,000 stands. Yes.
More than 1,000 stands here
Yes.
on this plantation.
Yes.
Okay.
Plantain, bananas.
Okay, this side is okay. Okay, what about the same person when they compound?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all the main house of the person.
Yes.
Imagine having a plantation and you have more than 1,000 stands or 2,000 stands. You know the benefits of that. And once it's time for harvesting, you'll be making good money with that. Think about it, guys. And if you want to get palm oil, fresh one from the farm, you also get it in Bayelsa. They are one of the oil producing red palm oil, fresh one, clean one. You can process any amount of palm oil gallons that you want. Right now, this is not the time, but you can also get it. Palm oil are very, very expensive right now. A gallon of palm oil currently right now is up to 35,000 naira. Unlike last 2 months that I bought it for like 25,000 naira. So if you are getting from their farm, you can get it as low as 15,000 naira or 17,000, and you can now resell them for any amount that you want to sell them. So visiting many farms, I also found out that they have bananas as well. They plant bananas, they plant cassavas also. They are really big farmers. So looking into the future of plantain is a very, very profitable, business that you can start. If you have a farm, you can lease a farm. If you are in this particular state, especially South, and even Southeast lands, you can start your own plantation. I even asked my friend, say, why don't you have one plantation here? And she said the landlord just leased a land for her to start planting her own plantain. So I look forward, maybe if I travel next year for the carnival or the carnival next year, I think I'm going to be there to see what is happening there. And make sure that you are subscribing to this channel, guys. It's your baby girl Ebys'Lady on the beat. So this is where they process their gari. If you are into frying gari, this is where you come and process your gari and you pay money for any process. And you can also fry your gari here in this particular place. So this another plantain plantation you can see is also very, very large. This is just their work here. As we come to the end of this video, you can see that every Bayelsa man is a potential rich man, and because of the resources, mineral resources that they have in this particular state. Either you farm or you work in an oil company, if I must say that.